The walkthrough starts in the publication figure builder with an empty canvas and the guided tutorial ready. Cytomove analyzes the validation set and loads the bundled Huvic figure with image panels and plots. The tutorial switches to Image QC, showing the raw circular microscope capture before cropping. A crop box is placed over the field to choose the region that will be sent to analysis. The crop is centered on the vertical scratch, while preserving the surrounding cell monolayer. The rectangular preview shows the analysis-ready crop. A second QC pass then repeats the same crop review. The corrected field opens in analysis, ready for boundary review. The contour overlay turns on, marking the detected wound boundary on the microscopy image. The view zooms in so the detected edge can be checked against the visible scratch boundary. The contour is checked again after adjustment, keeping the boundary on the real wound edge. The overlay is cleared briefly, making the raw image easier to compare with the segmentation. The contour returns, and Cytomove evaluates the mask again on the image. A shaded cleanup selection appears, while the mask refinement tools are tested. Measurement cards appear, reporting area, width, quality, and contour metrics for the selected image. Another reviewed image opens, showing a different contour result before figure preparation resumes. The workflow returns to the publication figure builder, where image panels and quantitative plots are assembled into a manuscript-style figure. The builder controls refine the layout while the figure canvas stays visible. The normalized area plot is selected and repositioned on the figure grid. The export dialog opens, then closes after the publication figure package is generated. The browser download panel confirms that the zip export has been created. The view switches back to the analysis export area with group image zip and publication zip options. The area plot preview opens, then returns to analysis. Thank you for using Cytomove.